Here's my class flow presentation that I did at the elementary with a third grade class on Main Idea for their living museum. We talked about Main Idea and biographies and autobiographies because that's what they were reading, nonfiction text about historical figures and their contribution to society. This is information for them to get on the tablets and get into ClassFlow so that they could participate. I typed this up about Walt Disney. We read it, we crossed out details, and came up with a main idea. Gave them sentence stems here to help them think. This is about Mo Willems. And after eliminating details, they circled on their tablets the correct answer for the main idea of the passage. And here, this is some text that I created about Shrek. And I tried to make it read like nonfiction text. Fortunately, they have their own wiki, so I was able to get a lot of this information from there. We crossed out details and were left with the main idea, and then they wrote on a tablet and submitted it, and so I could see all of the tablet's answer choices. And we did it again for Anna from Frozen. All the girls really liked this one, of course. And then so we did the same thing. After eliminating details, they wrote down the main idea and submitted it, and then we talked about it as a class, eliminating details and what is she mainly known for, which is saving her kingdom, her town. And then I didn't expect to get to this one, but it grew from Despicable Me, and the teacher thought the lesson was going so well, she decided to stay longer in the library, and so we did this one too.